Work progression, get the knee above the waist, tighten the core. Listen, for the next 25 minutes, your focus is completely on cardio. You're gonna work the heart rate and you're gonna get extremely fit. Are we good, guys? All right, we're gonna progress through some movements. They're gonna get harder as we go along, but you just stay focused. Now remember, Tanya's the modifier here, and she can help take you through. Ready? We're gonna go onto the toes right now. Come onto the toes. Now your heels are off the floor. We're progressing into a run, okay? So our feet were flat at first. Now as you come onto those toes, you want to spread the toes apart, get a nice base of support as you lift. You can do it. Are we feeling it, guys? Come on, keep it going. You're there. Let's stay in there. Look at this right here. Knees above the waist. Neck is nice and long. Shoulders are down. And now we're about to go into a slow jog in 3, 2, 1. Let's start the jog out nice and slow. See how we lift? Now, the most important thing about this is that the knee is coming above the waist still, okay? And as you land on one foot, you're starting to build balance, okay? And that's why I told you before to spread the toes apart on the floor because that gives you a wider base of support. Pick it up in just a little bit. Come on, guys. In 4, 3, 2. Now let's just make it a little faster, okay? You go at your own pace. You do the best that you can do, okay? Like I said, this is your foundation. So as you start to get a little stronger, you're gonna go a little faster and you'll be able to pick it up a little more. So keep going, keep pushing. You can do it. Continue to lift. Keep the neck nice and long. Keep the arms going. Are you good? In 4, 3, 2, ready? Hands together, jack feet. Let's go. Now, one thing I want to talk about here is how you contact the ground whenever you jump. Now, if you check out Tanya here, she's modifying, so she does low impact modifications, but you can still understand that every time her foot taps to the outside, she's pushing the ball of the foot into the ground. That's going to make you use less energy and more focus and have much more control as you go through the movements. Ready? And 4, 3, 2 out, 2 in, let's go. Out, 2, into, out, 2, into. Now, keep checking that out. As you go out and in, what you want to do is just push the balls of the feet into the ground. Just push the balls of the feet into the ground, and you will conserve energy, but you also have great focus and great control, okay? So stay there. Hands are pressed together. But we're about to get the arms flowing, about to get the shoulders warmed up, okay? So keep it there. Ready? Add the arms. Up, 2, down, 2. Ready? Keep it going. Up, 2, down, 2. That's right. Keep the focus. Keep it going. Now Scott here is working. Scott, 41 years old. He's pushing T25. He's a busy guy, but he said, you know what? I can do 25 minutes a day. So you keep it going, okay? In a couple more seconds, we're going to go into single jacks. In 3, 2, ready? Start your single jacks. Up, down, perfect. Keep it going. Now, as you keep those single jacks going, make sure you touch the fingertips up top. Okay, touch it up top. Keep it going. And don't forget about how you contact the ground because that's important. Whenever we get into any jumping motion, you want to bend your knees when you get to the floor, okay? Whenever you touch the floor, you want to slightly bend the knees so that you protect the knees and you keep it focused, and it'll help with your quads. Come on, guys. Bring your feet together. We're setting up the lunge progression. Check it out. Side to side. Feet together. Turn out. Lift. Keep the neck nice and long. Back straight. Back knee down. Nice and easy. This is how you're going to build your quadriceps. Keep it going. Keep it pushing. How are we feeling, guys? Come on. Just lift through. Keep the chest nice and high. Don't lean forward. Don't lean back. Keep the core tight. And 4, 3, 2. Stay set up on the left side. We're going to add a little hop. Ready and go. Hop. Just small. Just lift. And knee down in the back. There you go. Keep it going. Twist over. Core tight. Keep the neck long. Keep it easy. Remember I talked about landing softly. Keep it easy. How we doing, guys? Come on, you got about 8 seconds to go, and you're gonna push through. Then we're gonna make it a little bit more. We're gonna progress a little bit more. Ready? Let's start to touch the knee. Now as you touch the knee, it makes you go a little bit lower. That means you gotta keep your chest a little bit higher. and you keep pushing in there. We feel good? Come on, guys, keep it going. Side to side, have control. You're working your core here when you're in the air to keep stabilizing. Come on, guys. We're almost there, and then we're gonna go to a little bit bigger progression. Come on, guys, keep it going. In 3, 2, now we're gonna touch the floor. Now check this out. As Scott goes down, touch the floor, back knee bends. Look, back is flat, core stays tight. Keeping this core tight in the air. Come on, guys, keep it going. You're almost there. Come on, keep it pushing. Go as low as you can. Don't do too much. Just have control. You're focusing on that cardio, so your heart rate's gonna build a little bit. Here we go. In 3, 2, plant the right foot, left heel up back. Now, as you plant that foot, you wanna have that knee slightly bent, okay? So you can start to put a little weight into that quadricep, all right? You got it, there you go. And work the arms through, keep the arms moving. All right, keep it going. Now, even though Tanya's modifying, she's still working that quadricep. See, Tanya, you know what I'm saying? Tanya had a baby. Y'all know Tanya. And now look at her. She's great, she's doing good. Ready? Switch to the other side, other foot up and back. Now, remember, Tanya's here to help you modify. Okay, low impact so you can keep it going. Are we good, guys? Yeah. There you go. Keep it going. Stay strong. Stay there. Come on. Up, back. Use the arms. Work the arms. Heel, toe. Tap back. Come on. Push through. Put the weight into that heel of the supporting leg. Come on. And 4, 3, 2. Start to sprint it out. Ready? We're building that mountain climber progression, so we're gonna laterally move. Okay, ready? And move left. And move right. Keep the feet moving fast. Move left. Move right. Come on, guys, you got it. Move left. How we feeling? Move right. Let's pick up the speed a little bit in the feet. Move left. Come on. Move right. Move left. All right, keep staying with me. And now watch this. Ready? Start to add the mountain climber. Stay here. Move left. Come on, keep the knees up nice and high. Move right. There you go. Come on, lift, reach. Move left. You got it. There you go. Get the knee above the waist. Keep the core tight. Move left. Come on. There you go. Stay there. Stay there. I'm going to test Christina's knees here. See if she's lifting them above the waist. That's right. Keep hitting it. Keep it going. Come on. Stay focused. Stay strong. You can do it. Come on. In 4, 3, 2. Ready? Let's add a jump rope. Come back to your spot where you started working out. Now, as you do the jump rope, I'm talking about spreading those toes down again. Push the balls of your feet into the floor. As you push the ball of feet into the floor, you're automatically going to go back up, okay? It helps you stay safe, and it helps you jump higher. But we're just jumping ropes, we're just going to push down. Okay, in a few seconds, we're going to start to move forward, back. This is a jump rope, forward, back. In 3, 2, 1, ready, forward, back, up, back, up, back. Now, check it out. All I'm doing is going up, back, pushing through. Every time the balls of my feet hit the floor, I push them right back off, okay? We'll get into the next level in a second. Come on, keep it going. How we doing, guys? Keep it going. A few more seconds to go, and then we're gonna add a little bit higher impact. Remember to stay with Tanya if you need to. In 4, 3, 2, up, back, slow. Up, back, up. Now check this out. Look at Christina. You see how when she lands, she slightly bends those knees. That's what I'm talking about. You want to slightly bend the knees to protect yourself, and that will keep you in it and keep you focused. You can do it. How we feeling, guys? Come on, you're there. Keep it focused. I'm going around. I'm checking on you at home. How you feeling, Derek? All right, keep it going. 8 seconds to go, and then we're going to go into a higher impact move. This is your first time doing it. Stay with Tanya until you have it. Ready? In 3, 2, half tuck jump, go up. Now, in the half tuck jump, all you're doing is hitting your thighs. I'm not asking you to jump 3 feet off the floor. All I'm asking you to do is focus on what? Get your heart rate up, okay? So this is your focus, this is your control. Now, don't forget, Tanya's here modifying, so if you don't want to jump, but if you're like, this is too much for me right now, Sean, just stay with Tanya. She's here to help you out. Look how she's alternating knees, low impact. Ready? All right, guys, we're going to the burnout in 3, 2, 1, single jacks, go, come on. Now in the burnout, what I do is I ask you to push a little harder, a little faster, and focus a little more. Come on, you can do it. You got it, keep it going. How we feeling, guys? Touch those fingertips. All right, we're about to go into that pivot rotation, guys. In 4, 3, 2, we start to our left side. Here we go, down, come on. Push, back is flat, core is tight, stay in there. There you go, you're there. Now I know you're pushing, and I know you're working. Now your heart rate's up, and that's what we're focusing on because this is alpha cardio. Just keep the back flat, get that back knee down as much as you can, keep the core tight, and keep working through. You got to stay in it, guys. You're there, come on. And 5, 4, 3, 2, lateral mountain climber, stay center. Ready? Move left. Move right. Move left, get the knees up. Move right. Move left, how we feeling? Move right. Move left. Move right. Where's your focus? Cardio, move left. Move right. Move left, how we feeling, guys? Stay there, move right. You guys better be moving around this room, move left. Move right, so revolving door around here, move left. Move right. Half tuck jump, go, come on, push. Come on. There you go, hit those thighs. Look, Scott's just pushing the feet into the ground, okay? Not jumping all the way up here. Landing softly, pushing feet into the ground, making good contact to get him back up as soon as possible. You stay in it. Come on, how we feeling, guys? Keep it going. I'm here for you, okay? I know you're starting to feel it. This is the burnout, but now we're gonna progress to something a little slower that's still gonna work. Spread your feet apart, squat down and up. Here we go. Down and up. Keep going. Down and up. You got it? Down and up. Keep going. Now, check it out. Triangles, now she pushed the hips forward. Boom. Down. Whenever you do a squat in T25, when you come up, whether it's a jumping squat or not, you want to push those hips forward and squeeze the glutes, okay? Now what's happening when you squeeze the glutes, you automatically want to tighten the lower abs so that you also get a nice core workout in there. Are you guys ready? In 4, 3, 2, stay low, add a little hop squat. Now, you're literally up and down an inch off the floor, okay? It's not super big, it's just 1 inch, okay? Again, your knees are slightly bending as you land. You're gonna start to feel the work in the quadricep. Don't run from the work, feel the work, okay? You got it, just stay as low as you can go. In 3, 2, hold it down, 2 up, 2 back. Here we go. 1, 2, back, 2. 1, 2, back, 2. 1, 2, back, 2. 1, 2, you keep it going. Come on. 1, 2, how you feeling, Derek? Derek, I'm gonna ask you to get a little lower. There you go. Chest up nice and high. Now, Derek has good squats. I'm gonna ask him to go a little lower, okay? Push. He's the oldest one in the room. 45. Work it through. Keep that chest out. You got it. Stay in there, guys. You got it. Ready? 3, 2, everybody stand up. Hop, hop, squat to the left we go. Hop, hop, squat. Hop, hop, squat. Now you know what that feels like to go into the squat. Make sure you keep your core tight, push the hips forward, and tuck the booty under, okay? You got it. Keep it going. Keep pushing, yes. That's it, stay there. Stay there, get nice and low. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready, here we go. We're set up on your mark. There you go. Left foot back, ready, and sprint it out, go. This is going to test your explosion. Ready, set, on your mark, and go. Come on. Test your explosion. Now when you come up, you want to push through that sprint. Set, and go. Come on. There you go. Keep your core tight so you can explode up a little faster. Set, and go. Come on, guys. Ready? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Here's your progression. Set. We're going to work those legs. Ready? Up, down, go. Come on, guys. Keep it going. Just stay in there. Stay in there. What do we talk about when we go to the floor? Keep the core tight. So make you go down, you tighten your core as you come up and down. Now, check out Christina. Heel is coming up in front. So you're not meeting the feet together. That back foot comes in front of the front foot. You're going down, you work the core, you keep pushing. Now, you're gonna start to feel a good sweat going on, but you gotta stay in it, okay? So keep it going, keep the focus. In 3, 2, set, other side. And sprint, go, come on. Push, push, push. Faster, faster. Set. Sprint, come on, guys, go. Test your explosion, set. Sprint, come on, go, go. Come on, how we feeling, Tanya? One more time, set. Go, come on, faster. Now pick it up, pick it up. Come on, fast as you can go, come on. Even if you're modified, I want you to push. We're focused on the heart rate. And 3, 2, 1, down, up, go, here we go, boom. Now remember that back foot comes in front of that front foot and you push through. Come on, there you go, guys. There you go. Up, back, push it up, back. Come on, you stay in there. You stay in there. What are you focusing on right now? Your core stays tight. Your back is flat. All right, your head is in neutral spine. That's it, you stay in there. And 5, 4, 3, 2, we're gonna build a switch kick. Arms up, elbows in, and here. Now check this out. You're probably like, Sean, I never thought you'd give me a break like this, but it's not a break. This is still hard work because this is gonna progress, this is gonna focus. You get those elbows into the side, you focus on your core. The reason why elbows are into our side is because I want you to think right now, your body is a board, okay? Nothing moves until Shaun T tells it to move. Ready? On the toes now, heel out. Now your heels don't touch the floor. You push forward. Come on, keep those elbows inside. Keep the core nice and tight. Keep it going, that's right. Push through, push through. How we feeling, guys? Come on. How you feeling? You good? Yeah, I know you're like, Sean, this is a little bit easier, but guess what? The progression takes you up just a little bit, makes you work a little more. Then we're gonna go into low running switch kicks. So that means we change the arms in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Come on. Now just run it out. Keep it nice and low. Keep control. Try to keep those heels off the floor as best you can. All right, keep it going, keep it going. Now Tanya's still doing that kick, okay? She's moving fast, she's not jumping, but you're still there. Stay focused, stay in there. Are we good? All right, guys, we're about to take it up. We're about to take it up in 3, 2, take it higher, go, come on, lift. Get the heel out, get the heel out. Push through, that's right, come on. Get it up there, stay in there, come on. Come on, Christina, push, push. I'm checking on you, I'm checking on everybody. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's stand there, come on, Scott, get that heel out. Look at that focus, look at that control. Do the best you can do. Go at your own pace, but go as fast as you can go while having control. You're almost there, come on, guys. Keep pushing. Are we good? We're almost there. Come on, stay, come on. Stay in there. Come on, 4, 3, 2, running lunge, guys, come on. This is a running lunge here. Keep the elbows bent. Now we're gonna build speed and agility. The reason why we build speed and agility is so that you're able to move multi-directionally as we go through these workouts. T25 is about 25 minutes of hard work. So what do you need to do? You need to focus on what I give you so you can get the best result possible. In a couple seconds, we're gonna do a split lunge agility. Ready? Bring your feet together so we can set it up. Ready? Up, center, back, center. Ready? Let's go. Up, center, back, center. Up, center, back, center. Okay? Up, center, back, center. When I say center, you try to get those feet as close together as you can. Okay? You're basically doing a forward and back jumping jack, okay? Here we go. But it's forward and back. Your feet are not going out and in. At least not yet. Are we good? 4, 3, 2. Now feet out and in, go out. Look at my arms, how they go out and in. Push. Now your arms are just going out and in. Come on, out and in. Out and in with the feet, come on. Now Tanya's tapping. Remember, I don't want you to stop. If at any given point you get tired, you look for Tanya. She'll show you what to do so that you can keep going and keep getting the result. There you go, Tanya, come on. Are you guys there? Now we're about to build a speed and agility movement. Up, center, back, center, out in 3, 2. Everybody plant the feet. Ready, and go. Up, center, out, wide 2. Up, center, back, center, out, wide 2. And again, left, center, back, center, up. Got it? Push. So now basically what you do is you combine all of those movements so that you're there. How are you feeling, guys? We're coming up on the 5-minute mark, okay? I bet you're like, oh my gosh, Shaun T, we're almost done. But that's what happens when you focus hard. Push. 3, 2, 1. Finish this. hop, hop, squat, go, hop. Now we're in the burnout, come on. We're in the burnout, burn it out, come on. What do you do in the burnout? You push, you work a little harder, you focus a little more, come on. Come on, now what I'm gonna do, act like my hands on your hips and I'm pushing you to the floor. That's how you get the correct squat. You got my hands on your hips, stay with Christina, she can get you there, come on. Are you good? Stay focused. 3, 2, up, down, left, back. Come on, here we go. Ready, go. Up, down. Come on, push. There you go. Tighten the core. Push through. Making sure that heel comes forward. Come on, you notice. You've done this. This is the burnout. This is where you push. Where's your focus? It's on that quad. Ready? Switch legs. Other side. Ready? Here we go. Come on. Push through. Come on, you got it. Come on, work through. Work through. Work hard, down, up, keep the core tight. If you're following Tanya, look at that, she's still working. You go down as low as you can, but you stay with Tanya, she's there with you. Come on, guys, we're about to build. Ready, switch, kick, go, come on. Let's push it up, push. Now I ask you to go a little faster. Now I ask you to push a little more. Come on, guys, go, go, come on. Lift, heel out, push through, this is the burnout, come on. This is where we go, come on. You're there, come on. This is weird. How you feeling, Christina?
Great.
Come on. Tell them how they can do it.
You do it.
Come on, you got less than 4 minutes to go. Come on, go. 4, 3, 2, speed and agility, and go. Push, and out. You got it. Hit, and out. Go. Push, and out. Come on. You know this. You've done it. Up and center, back center. Ready? Come on, keep it going. Now look at Tanya. She's there. She's still going. Come on, guys. This is where you push. This is the burnout round. You're almost there. You got a couple more seconds to go. Come on. And 4, 3. You got it. 2. Ready? Keep your feet wide, up and back. Here we go. We're building the power move, guys. We're building the power move. Now in this. Now in the power move, what's happening is I'm asking you to give a little bit more because you're almost at the end of your workout. What are you going to give me right now? What is your focus? Contact in the ground. We're going to put together a lot of things that we worked on today, and this is kind of your test at the end of the workout. Up, back. Come on, here we go. Now, what we're about to do is work on the core. Ready? Bend the knees. Keep the feet side to side. Go. Come on. Push. Push. Come on. Side to side. Work the core. There you go. Come on. Keep the body nice and low. Keep the energy there. Keep the focus. This is the power move. Come on, guys. You're there. Come on. Come on. Work the core there. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. I want you to push. I want you there. There you go. Working those hips. Working the core side to side. Come on. Stay in there. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Stay. Come on. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Ready? Alternate. Speed knee. Lift. Come on. You're there. Keep it going. Push. Come on, guys. Lift, 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 lift. Now, this is your control. This is your control. Knee up and back. Come on. Up. What are you doing with that knee? You're taking it above the waist. That's your focus every time. What happens when you take it above the waist? What do? You tighten your lower abs. Are you there? Where's your focus? You're almost there. Come on, guys. Come on. You got a minute and a half to go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Lift. Come on. There you go. Push. Push through. Push through. Now you pick it up. Now you go faster. Come on. Come on. If you're home modifying, I'm sure you can do it too. You're still working. Just because you're modifying, you feel good about yourself. This is your foundation. You will get better. Everybody will improve. Come on, guys. Keep it going. Keep the focus. You're almost there. Come on. We're coming up on 1 minute left. I know that makes you feel good. So now you push. In 5, 4, 3, 2, I need faster jog. Now this is where I ask for control. This is where I ask for control. You lift. I'm looking around. Everybody's in control. Derek, you feel good? Look at that control. He has less than a minute to go. So then he's going to really, really focus on these last couple seconds, guys. Come on, here we go. Would you be happy if I told you you only had 30 seconds to go? And 3, 2, slow jog, left and right. Stay with me, lift. Now, what happens when you have to move slow? What happens when you have 1 foot on the ground? You have to spread those toes, have an amazing base of support. Come on, go all the way there. Come on. Keep it going, guys. You're almost there. Come on. Are you there? 10 seconds to go. I want you to push. Knee up, side to side. Come on. And 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Congratulations for completing Alpha Cardio, your foundation workout. Stay with me, Shaun T, 25. Peace out. Good job, guys. Focus. All right, guys, this is your cardio cool down. You just worked hard. Let's alternate knee lifts. Pull through active movement, active stretching here. It's going to slowly bring down the heart rate.
It is me.
Really get those muscles
Stop driving
feeling
around.
nice and good. There you go. Keep
They're
going.
still going on.
4 more.
Doing the warm-up, cool down, I mean.
And
And y'all
2,
saw that I
and
did
1.
the
All right, now
cardio
let's hold it up on this
on the
side.
225.
Lift through,
It wasn't
pull
cute,
through.
but I got
Ready,
it
we're gonna
done.
take it to the other side.
And
All
I'm
right,
proud of
now,
myself
lift up,
for getting it
pull
done
through, really
in the
pull,
best way
nice and
that
high.
I
You
could.
got it. And 4,
The reason I wasn't talking
3,
before was
2,
because I was
bring it
doing
down.
double
Now what
duty.
we're gonna do
Y'all know
is
I do
pull
oil
through
pulling. So I was doing my
the
oil
ankle
pulling
right here. That's right.
while I
Pull
was
it.
doing
We're gonna stretch out
T25.
those quadriceps
Don't do it.
like
I'm
you
just
really
saying that's
good.
what I was doing.
Each time,
And I
trying
was
to bring the
prepared
heel closer
to make
the glute.
myself
We're gonna do 4 more.
breathe
That's right. Keep pulling through. 3.
in and out through my nose today
Here's 2.
in a controlled
And
pattern
1. Now, this time we're gonna
instead of
hold them up,
gasping
hold them together,
for
try to
air.
bring the knees together.
So that's
And
why I
if you
did
can
that.
reach behind,
Now I know that I
pull through
can,
a little bit
and that is
more.
that.
Really get that heel
I'm getting
there.
ready
Try
to get
keep
off
the
of
knees
here
together, push the hips
and
forward.
get in here and get myself
Excellent
cleaned
job.
up
Ready? We're gonna take it to
so
the
I can
other
get
side.
ready
Pull
for
through.
work.
Try
Y'all
to bring
move
the
your
knees
meat,
together. Get that hand
and
back
I can
there.
do it.
Grab that
Y'all can
toe.
do it.
There you
Toodles.
go. Try to pull